For the latest Avatar news updates, visit hybridnetworkyt.com. What's going on, guys? Nick here with this week's Avatar video talking about how the Na'vi are able to communicate with all life on Pandora. So as you guys know, the guiding force and deity of Pandora and the Na'vi, named Eywa, is able to maintain the ecosystem and balance of the entire world. Human scientists on Pandora have theorized that all life on the moon is connected through Eywa through a system of neuroconductive antennae, which explains why Na'vi are able to mount animals without going through the trials of domestication. According to Na'vi mythology, the bond or connection that Eywa has with the life on the moon is physical and tangible, unlike those concepts on Earth which are largely spiritual. This bond exists in the forms of collective psionic consciousness embedded within the planet and drawn from all Pandoran life. It's like having an internet made up of plant life and biology, where trees serve as information dumps, where the Na'vi are able to upload and download memories using their braid-like cues. The bond that Eywa provides can also be used for mind transfers in rare cases, as seen with Jake Sully. Na'vi are also able to communicate with their deceased through psychic essences their ancestors have left behind. These roots can extend to the surface and connect with the nervous system of any living thing, even human beings. Eywa is able to send signs to the Na'vi through use of wood sprites, which are small seeds similar in appearance to jellyfish. In the film Avatar, a large number of wood sprites land on Jake Sully, which leads Neytiri to begin his journey. In the Avatar video game, this link was also capable of being manipulated by human scientists, should the player choose to side with the RDA. The player's objective would then be to plant 3 psionic crystals on willow trees to concentrate Eywa and locate the long-lost Well of Souls, which the RDA would then be able to use for tapping directly into Eywa, thus turning the moon of Pandora against the Na'vi tribes. Other fictional mythology uses similar plant-like intelligence which shape the world, such as the Mother Jungle in the Star Wars Expanded Universe, or Mfall from Alan Dean Foster's Midworld book series. Be sure to leave your thoughts on this process and connection through Eywa down in the comment section below, and as always, thanks for watching. My name is Nick, and for more on the Avatar universe, subscribe to the Hybrid Network.